You take care of all your organs. But how can you forget to care about the major organ? Yes, I am talking about your skin. To feel better, you have to look better. And to look better, you should have healthy and beautiful skin. In this time of pollution and heat, beautiful skin has become a dream for all of us. But I have some beauty and skincare secrets that will make your skin mushy and pretty. So, boys and girls, are you ready to feel beautiful? Oat Face Powder. If you are looking for something natural for your skin, you are in the right place. You can make face powder with all natural ingredients present in your kitchen. Take 1 bowl of oats and put it in the blender. Blend them well until they come in powdered form. Now, take 1 glass of water and put it in the blender with oats. Blend again and take out in a bowl. Wash it 2 to 3 times and strain the water. Now, put the paste on tissue paper or cheesecloth. Let it dry for some time. Put the powder in your makeup container and use it. Makeup remover. There is no need to panic if you do not have makeup remover in your home. Take the Gillette shaving gel and apply it to your face. Take the alcoholic cotton pads and clean your face with them. After removing all the gel, rinse your face with cold water. Apply your moisturizer and it is done. Full body scrub. Before a soothing and refreshing bath, you can have a full body massage to make your skin soft and pollution-free. You do not need any expensive scrub, because you will make it at home with natural ingredients. So, let's see what kinds of scrubs we can make at home. Number 1. Coffee scrub. Coffee is not only good for your brain, but it also has a strong effect on your skin. You can use coffee in the scrub to get the best results. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of ground coffee to it. Add in half a cup of coconut oil and 1 cup of raw sugar. Now, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to it. Mix it well to make a paste. Apply and rub it on your body by giving a slow massage with your hands. After it gets dry, remove it. Number 2. Orangey Scrub. As you all know, orange is a refreshing fruit. But what happens when it is applied to your skin? Yes, your skin will get fresh and smooth. To make the Orangey Scrub, take a bowl and add 1 cup of sea salt to it. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of orange zest in it. Now, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and half a tablespoon of tea tree oil. Also, add half a teaspoon of peppermint oil if you can easily have it. Mix all the ingredients to make the scrub. You can store the scrub in a container and put it on your shelf in the bathroom. Apply to your body and get surprisingly refreshing results. Deodorant Hack. Never get worried if your deodorant gets empty. You can always make that in your home. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of baking soda. Mix them up. Add in 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can add some tea tree oil as well. Stir every ingredient. You can also add some rose essence to the mixture. Put the liquid mixture into the deodorant bottle and refrigerate it for some time. The deodorant will get hard and this is done. Homemade wax. So, what can you do about waxing? Do not worry because you can do wax while sitting in your home. And the wax you will use will be made by you. Take 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water in a pan. Heat it until the sugar starts to melt. Now, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the pan. Boil the liquid for 10 minutes. The color will start to change to golden. Boil until the consistency becomes like wax. Take out in the bowl and start waxing. Magic of turmeric. Turmeric has many benefits for your body. It helps to bring glow and softness to the skin. It also results in teeth whitening. So, I think you all should know DIY tricks and tips to make at home with turmeric. Let me know in the comment section if I missed any. Number 1. Pale skin solution. When you get up in the morning, your skin feels pale. Sometimes, you need a quick solution to change your skin from pale to smooth. I have a DIY hack for you. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt to it. Now, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix everything well to make a thick paste. Apply the mask to your face using a brush. Let it dry until the mask gets hard. Rinse your face. You will see astonishing results. Number 2. Teeth whitening. If you want to get rid of yellow teeth, this hack is for you. You can use any toothpaste you like. Put the toothpaste on your brush. Drizzle turmeric powder from the top. Brush your teeth and rinse your mouth. If you want to see terrific results, make sure you use this hack regularly. Number 3. Remove facial hair. Many girls tend to have problems with their facial hair. Not everyone can afford laser treatment to remove them. So, you can use this DIY hack to get rid of facial hair. Take half a cup of milk in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. Using an applying brush, apply the mask on your face where you have extra facial hair. Rinse your face. For better results, you have to do this hack for some time. The facial hair will start to become invisible after a few days. Number 4. Lip balm. If you have cracked lips, you can use this turmeric balm to cure them. Take 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder in the bowl. Mix the dry ingredients. Add in 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it well and apply it to your lips with your finger. Massage a little using your finger. Now, clean the mask with tissue paper. See the results yourself and keep smiling. Cleansing of pores. If you have skin with open pores, you might need something to clean them. It is because there is a possibility that small dust particles can make their home in the pores. For cleansing your pores, use this DIY cleansing mask. Take 1 tablespoon of ground oats in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt to it. Mix it well. Apply the mask to your skin. Massage a little using your fingers. Rinse your face with water and that is all. Rice cream. You may love to eat rice. But what if I tell you that you can make your skin smooth and white using rice? You will be amazed. Well, it is true. Let's make the rice cream to get astonishing results. Take half a cup of clean and raw rice in a bowl. Soak the rice in water until they become soft. Drain out the water. Heat water in a pan. Add in the drained rice. Mix them until the rice becomes milky and the water comes in thick consistency. Drain the mixture. And you will get the cream. The almond lotion. If you are looking for a lotion, you are about to get the perfect recipe. To make this lotion, you need 1 teaspoon of almond oil in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil and a few drops of lavender essential oil. Now, take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and add it to the bowl. Mix it up until it changes the color to cool green. Use the lotion and apply it to your skin. You can massage using your fingers. Fuller's Earth Clay Mask. For oily skin, you can use this easy-to-make DIY mask. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of graham flour and 1 tablespoon of Fuller's Earth Clay. Spray rose water in it. Mix it well and apply it to your face. Let it rest for some time until the mask dries. Rinse your face while massaging with your finger. Use it 2 to 3 times a week. I have tried several hacks myself and, guess what? They worked well. Let me know in the comment section which hacks you will try. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. I will come back with more hacks and tips soon. Till then, take good care of yourself. Goodbye.